Now we will make both. Row 1, make 8 magic ring. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 2, make 2 single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in second stitch, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet in the first stitch, second stitch, single crochet again and next stitch, 2 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet first stitch, second stitch, single crochet, third stitch, single crochet and fourth stitch, 2 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet and next stitch, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 40 single crochet for total. Row 6, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 40 single crochet for total. Row 7, make single crochet in the first stitch, second stitch, single crochet, third stitch, single crochet, fourth stitch, single crochet and fifth stitch, 2 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Remember, single crochet 4 times and then 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 48 single crochet for total. I finished until row 16. Now I change color for row 17. Remember, cut yarn. Row 17, take the front loop. Make single crochet every stitches in front loop. Remember, front loop. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 48 single crochet for total. Change to 1, 2 and then make half double crochet for row 18. Make half double crochet every stitches. Okay, I finished for make a pot, and now we will make a land. For land, take back loop. Land, we make slip stitch the first. And make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then decrease. Make single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, then decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 40 single crochet for total. Row 2, make single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then decrease, invisible decrease. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet 2 times, and then decrease, single crochet, single crochet, and decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 6, make single crochet in the first stitch, next stitch, decrease, single crochet, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Fill the crown but don't full, and take a stone. So the pot will stand. And fill the crown again. And the last row, decrease every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 8 single crochet for total. And we will close by hand. Bend. Okay, finish. For make pot. After finish pot, now we ready for sew cactus and pot. Don't forget for use pin every sew. Okay, I finished for sew body, cactus body and pot. Thank you for watching my tutorial in kriya channel. Don't forget for subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next my another tutorial.